Hi, my name is Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. So another free add-on is a spam form protector. It's included and preloaded onto all websites. Let me just show you where that is. If you go to Settings, General Settings, and then when the page loads, we go to Integrations. You can see we can block spam keywords. So the keywords can be added to this section here. There is already a set of default keywords in there. You can also block characters, which you can again add to this list if you so wish. And you can also block disposable email addresses. So again, you can add to this section as well. If you do make any mistakes, you can use the restore settings just on here, which will just restore the defaults again. Do remember that when you do add anything to these lists, that you need to click on the save to save it. But what that will potentially do is when people are completing a form, if they're using any of these characters or any of these words or any of these email addresses within the form, or it will prevent them from submitting the form. So that is your spam keyword section, spam form protector, which is a free add-on included and preloaded onto all websites. I hope you found that video useful, and thanks for watching.